Mo's Funny Joke by Dr. Sara Northern. My name is Mo. I know a joke. Do you want to hear my joke?
Yeah!
Yes, Mo, tell me a joke.
Drum roll, please. The toad drove the boat in the snow to get out of the cold. The toad was in a boat in the snow. Ha 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 ha. I do not get the joke. Ha 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 ha. What is so funny? Do you know a funny joke?